Bismillah, Salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Today I would like to introduce Allah. Who is Allah? We want to refresh our Iman. We want to be attached to our Creator. We want to fear nobody but Him. We want to please none other than Him. So who is Allah? Come with me to Surah Al-Hadid, chapter 57 of the Quran, where Allah He says, introducing Himself to us. He is Allah, who has the kingdom of the heaven and the earth, and He is able to do whatever He wishes. Everything in the heaven and the earth glorify Allah, and He is the most mighty, the most wise Allah. Do you know anybody who shares even one of these characteristics with Allah? Who is Allah? Come with me to chapter 6 of the Quran, where Allah He says, He has the keys to the unseen. No one knows them except Him. And He knows everything that is on land and everything within a sea. And there isn't a single leaf that falls from any tree, except that Allah has knowledge of it. And there isn't even a grain within a darkness of the land, nor is there anything is moist and anything that is solid, except that Allah has knowledge of it. It is written within a clear record. I bring to your attention, dear brothers, in Islam, the description of just one of Allah Almighty's creation. He is angel, the chief of the angel Jibreel alayhi salatu was-salam, that the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam Ahmad narrates in his Musnad. Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, he says the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam saw Jibreel in his true angel form, and he had no less 600 wings. Every one of those wings had enough to fill the horizon and cover the wings. One wing is spread out, cover every cloud, cover every stars, cover the sun and the moon, cover every inch of that the blue sky we see the one wing. What can you make 600 wings? If this is the majesty of the Allah Almighty's creation, what can you make of the beauty? And if this is the Creator Himself, I bring to your attention, dear brothers, yet a second creator from Allah Almighty. This is the description of just one of the angels who are crying the throne of Allah. Abi Dawood narrates in his Sunnah that the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam, he said, has given me permission to give you a description of just one of the angels that are crying the throne of Allah. What can you make up about the enormity of the throne of Allah? Allah asked, don't you see, O people, everything in the heaven and the earth prostrates with Allah. Isn't that amazing from all the creation? Thank you very much. Jazakallah.